Today, I noticed a new niche that hasn't been explored yet on YouTube or TikTok. This means you have a chance to be one of the first creators in this space. So, pay close attention because I'm going to walk you through every step, leaving no stone unturned. By the time you finish watching this video, you'll be ready to hit the ground running and start creating your own content. Now, why is this niche so promising? Well, imagine scrolling through your TikTok feed and coming across videos in this new niche. Chances are you'll be intrigued and share them with your friends. That's exactly what makes this niche so special, the potential for virality. When people engage with your content and share it, TikTok's algorithm takes notice and starts pushing your videos to more viewers, giving them a chance to go viral. Now, let's take a look at what we are going to make it.
I am always hungry. I must be fed. The finger I touch will soon turn red. What am I? A keyboard. I have a head, but no body, and I speak without a mouth. I can sing sweet melodies, but never get tired. What am I? A guitar.
All right, let's break down the process step by step. First up, we'll brainstorm ideas with ChatGPT. This AI tool will help us generate creative content ideas that align with our niche. Once you're on the website, copy the provided prompt from the video description. After that, wait for ChatGPT to generate a response. As you can see, it came up with 10 ideas for us. Now, let's ask it to come up with more ideas tailored to our preferences. If you're not satisfied with the initial ideas, you can request ChatGPT to generate a new set of riddles, along with their answers. Just specify the number of riddles you want in the prompt. For instance, you can replace the word "some" with the desired number of riddles. Once we have our ideas in place, we'll move on to creating visuals using Canva. To get started, head over to the Canva website and select Create a Design. Then, input the specific coordinates provided in the video description and click Create New Design. Once the interface appears, use the search field to find suitable backgrounds by searching for either Quiz or Did You Know. Choose a design that fits your preferences from the available options. After selecting the background, remove any unnecessary text, such as titles, content, or links, to customize it according to your needs. You can use shapes like rectangles to create two boxes, one for displaying the image and another for privately showing the correct answer. Adjust the size of the boxes as required. Once you've made the modifications, extract the image and return to the original interface. Then, reposition the symbols to their original places and add the modified image. Finally, download the image to proceed with the next steps. Next, we'll go back to ChatGPT and search for images that represent the answers. For instance, I'll search for an image related to guitar. Then, I'll switch the choice to images so that only relevant pictures appear. From the selection, I'll pick one picture and download it. We'll repeat this process for all the answers. In this case, we'll only need 3 answers. Next, we'll convert the script into speech. To do this, we'll head to the 11 Labs website. After clicking on Add Voice, we'll choose a voice from the library. Once we've selected a suitable voice, such as Matthew, we'll add it to the Voice Lab and finish the process. Then we'll return to the main interface and choose the previously added voice. Back on ChatGPT, we'll copy each puzzle separately and paste it into 11 Labs. After generating the audio, we'll download it. This process will be repeated for each puzzle and its corresponding answers. After completing the previous steps, we'll move on to the Adobe Express animation site. Upon accessing the site, we'll click on Start Now to begin. Once on the interface, we'll choose a character and adjust the background color to green. Then, we'll add the audio for each puzzle one by one in order. After waiting for the download option to appear, we'll download the animation. We'll repeat these steps for each puzzle until all animations are complete. Next, we'll head to YouTube to search for a 3-second timer green screen video. Once found, we'll download it for later use. Next, we'll open the CapCut application and import the assets created in the previous steps. Beginning with the first background, we'll add it to the timeline, followed by the video for the initial puzzle. We'll adjust the duration of the background accordingly and insert the timer video. To ensure alignment, we'll remove the background using Chroma Key and adjust the size of the video. These steps will be repeated for subsequent backgrounds and the timer video. Each puzzle video will have its own animation added, such as slide down or slide left for visual appeal. The audio for each puzzle's answer will also be included, along with corresponding images. We'll then duplicate the backgrounds and place them in sequence, adding answer audios accordingly. After adjusting video sizes and adding animations, we'll apply shake transitions between each puzzle for aesthetic effect. Ticking and ding sound effects will be added to indicate time passing and puzzle completion. Zoom transitions will be used alongside ding sounds for smooth transitions. Finally, whoosh sound effects will be added to transition points, and answers will fade out with stroke fill animations. Additional elements like music and captions can be included based on preference, ensuring video quality and frame consistency before extraction.